I like to tell people I never wanted to be Josh the janitor. Like that was never the thing I wanted to do. My wife and I had gotten married. We moved to a new area, and she's like, "Hey, I think I want to start cleaning houses." So I was like, "Well, I don't know why you went to college for 4 years, to come clean houses, but if that's what you want to do, more power to you." So she did that for a while, and then we were, walking around the neighborhood one night and just kind of dreaming about the future. I was like, "Hey, this thing's really not working. Maybe you should just go get a job." She said, "No, I really think like this is what I'm supposed to do." And so like 6 months later, I had quit my job. I'd come on full time in the business, cleaning houses. I hated every minute of cleaning houses, by the way, but we were doing residential. We were just doing whatever we could to try to figure out how to make money. What are we doing? What do we want to do? What do we like doing? I understand building a business, understand like passive revenue, but I don't want to be Josh the janitor. I'm not going to be known as that. I had too much ego. I was not humble enough to be in this industry. Once I went all in and got committed, it just really grew from that point on. And we've been able to build something that we can be proud of. What if I fail? What if I can't figure it out? What if I don't know enough? What if? I had the conversation yesterday. I said, you gotta suspend your disbelief and just choose to have faith and believe anyway. You just gotta have faith. I was like, because if you don't believe, then you won't do the things you need to do to succeed. Probably like most other people, when it comes to recruiting, what we're gonna do is we're looking through Indeed primarily. And we just know from a numbers perspective, I'm gonna have 100 people apply and one of those people is gonna get hired. I'm gonna reject 90 of them just immediately. Boom, just not a fit. So I would say one of the things that's important is like you really need to know specifically what you're looking for. And I have 3 avatars that I created over the years. They came from real people in our company. They're just getting started, Joanne. Just getting started, Joanne is that educated young person getting started. They're probably on the lower tier of their company, but they're in a professional environment and they got a little bit of hustle. Second avatar is homeschool mom, Megan, someone who's raising her kids. This is a professional caliber person doing a job that doesn't get the credit they deserve. And really they need to have an opportunity to get out of the house and just to recalibrate. And the third person was soon to retire Stephanie. And Stephanie was like, "Hey, I really need to get more exercise. I need to get some steps in. And then I'd like to make a little bit more money. I don't like where my retirement's at." It's hard for me to find something if I don't know what I'm looking for. When you can narrow down what you're looking for, then you have the ability to potentially find it a little easier. You're still going to hire some people that don't fit it. You thought they were going to, it doesn't work. But at least you know what a winner looks like on our team. Total game changer for us. Because it did so much more than I needed it to do. I just need to know if people showed up or not. But then, man, with the supply requests, that organized that system for us dramatically, with so much of the knowledge and communication being centralized. When I'm trying to keep up with a text message and I got this spreadsheet and I got notes on my phone, and it was just chaos, right? And so that was the pain point for us. But then there was so much other stuff it brought from a systemization of business, which again, think about this. If you're going to grow, well, you got to have a system. It solved problems we didn't even know we really had. So it was a great tool for us. I really think it was one of the key things that we did to expedite growth.